Hi, guys. It's me, Erica, again. And we're going to do an activity that some of us put off for a little too long, and that is cleaning our makeup brushes. Whether you want to admit it or not, some of us just fail in that department. Anyways, that's what we're going to be doing today. And I thought, why not bring you along? I only use two things when I clean my makeup brushes. I like to keep things inexpensive and very simple. So on Amazon, I got this brush cleaning pad. This is by EcoTools. I love plants. And looks like a little monstera leaf to me. So I bought her. Inexpensive. I have it linked to my Amazon storefront if you like it and would also like the same thing. It's less than $10. And then the other thing that I use is Dawn dish soap. Like I said, keep it stupid simple, keep it stupid cheap. If this is the kind of video that you are into, then keep on watching and let's clean our makeup brushes.